A ghostwriter. It'll be scary, right? Online writing industry has been growing year in, year out, and if you would like to earn an extra income, part-time or full-time at the comfort of your home, then you better watch this video up to the end, because I will share with you top 3 best paying online writing jobs and how you can get started with each one of them. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals succeed in their careers. And if this is your first time here, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. If you're just starting out with online writing, you might feel a little bit overwhelmed, especially when you think about what type of writing should I start with. Worry no more. Here are the top 3 best paying online writing jobs. And number 1 is content writing. Businesses have just realized that content marketing is king. And what is this content marketing? Content marketing is a form of marketing that focuses on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a specific targeted audience. This is mainly used by businesses for them to be able to engage and attract new leads, expand their customer base, and increase their online sales. So as a content writer, you can write for the businesses and help them establish and promote their brand, engage with their customers and clients, and at the same time market their products and services. Where you can be able to get this kind of jobs, you can be able to look out for advertisement for specific jobs for content writers and apply directly, or you can be able to approach and reach out these businesses and tell them about the service that you are willing to offer them. Online writing job number 2. This is copywriting. Copywriting is writing text with the main purpose to persuade the person who is reading that text to be able to take action. And even more specifically, the action would be for this person to buy or to purchase a certain good, a certain product or service. Now, it is a bit different from content writing because content writing mainly looks at engaging and creating brand awareness. But for copywriting, you want this person to really take action. This is the kind of text that you will find on billboards, on newspaper ads, or any other type of advertisement. You can be able to get this job directly from advertisement where they're looking for copywriters. You can also be able to approach the companies and businesses and tell them this is a service that you want to provide. And even a better approach is to look for advertising agencies and be able to help them with the copywriting. Most of the agencies will hire freelancers just to come in and help them to deliver a specific project for a client. Looking out for these agencies would be a great way to establish yourself as a copywriter. And to the 3rd online writing job, and this is actually the most lucrative online writing job that you can be able to get, and it is ghostwriting. Guess what? A person who does ghostwriting is called a ghostwriter. A little bit scary, right? Don't worry. Basically, a ghostwriter is someone who writes any kind of content. It might be a blog post, it might be a book, it might be an article, it might be a newspaper article, a newsletter, it might be website content. Whatever content you have written, you don't take credit of that work. The credit goes to the client, to the business, to the person who gave you that job. And that is the beauty about it. For example, here at Career Point, our main business is to help people get jobs. I might want to write a book about the job market here in Kenya, and I don't have the time to write the whole book. So what do? I will approach a ghostwriter, probably you, and ask you to do the research and write that book for me. But once you give me the book, it will go out there saying How to Get a Job in Kenya by Daniel Mutuku. And you know clearly very well you're the person who wrote it. So when you're giving out the credit or you're giving out the rights to that work, you can ask for as much money as you want, or as much money as that work is worth. But remember, here you have to put in a lot of time and effort to do your research and ensure that you have a very good piece of work. The best way to be able to get any kind of job, especially online jobs or writing jobs, is to do a cold pitch. And what do I mean by that? This is when you decide to contact an entrepreneur, a business owner, a startup, a big brand, or a small business, and tell them about you as a freelancer, as a writer, and how you can be able to assist them. Now, it might sound a little bit scary, especially when you're starting off, but I can assure you it is way easier than you think. So, how do you do that? Identify a local business, a startup, a company, and go look at their website. If they don't have a blog, and they should be having one, then you can easily contact them and share with them how you can be able to help them set up the blog and how the blog is going to be of value for the business and for them to be able to get more clients, more business, and sell more of the products and services that they are engaged in. So you can write a very simple email, the cold pitch, in 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph, just tell them how did you know about them. Number 2, who you are, and number 3, how you can be able to help them get more clients, sell more products, and grow their business. I'm yet to see anyone who gets an opportunity to grow their business and they turn it away. Also, take a look at this other video about online data entry jobs, and don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'm out.